Okay, so you can see we find out this type of interface of Anaconda distribution. So in the Anaconda distribution, if you check the environment, we find out this type of environment. So first of all, this is the base or root. Okay, so it also available when you install first time. But further, we also create different types of environment for our different type of purpose. So here you can see, I create the two environment and I put the name GeoAI and also put the another suppose Python geospatial. Okay, and create the environment. So if you want, you can also create the environment from here. You can see, just click on the create and put the name. Suppose I put the name is that suppose new AI. Okay, and I simply save, and I want to create the environment for the Python. Okay, so this is my Python version. It automatically show you in here. So or if you want, you can also create the R, but now we talk about the Python. So I simply check mark the Python and then create. So now you can see it create the new AI. I just put the Python environment. I create the environment. So this is the one way we can create the environment, and in this environment we can install all of our packages, all of our Python packages. Okay, so now you can see it creating the environment. It creating the environment.
When you are creating the environment, you must be online, is it?
Okay, so for the installation different types of package, when you install the package and create the environment, then you need to connect the online. Otherwise we can also run this type of package without online, no problem. Okay, so first time for installing the packages. Okay, so you can see find out it create the new AI. This is my environment. So in this environment we can install it the different types of packages. Okay, different types of package for the geospatial analysis, for we can easily geopandas or raster.io. So different types of Python package or earth engine platform. So different type of thing we can simply create. Okay, so this is the one way to create the environment, or if you want, you can also put the another way. Suppose you can simply click on the terminal. Okay, simply find out the CMD or terminal on your computer. So from the terminal, suppose I want to use it and create the environment. So for that, simply right here, suppose conda. After installing the conda distribution, simply write the conda and put the create. Okay, so conda create, then put the this symbol and put the name. Okay, and put the your environment name. Okay, suppose I put the name is that suppose I put the geospatial. Okay, I put the environment in the geospatial. So now if I just click on the enter, so now this environment is create. You can see it show the proceed yes or no. So I want to create, so put the Y and enter. So now it create the environment. You can see it create the environment. Okay, and if you check the environment is created or not, so you can easily find out the another environment it created. You can see find out the geospatial. Okay, but previous time it was not. Okay, so this is the two way when you create the environment. You can write the command using your terminal, or if you want, you can simply create the environment from here. Okay, just click on the create and create your environment. So basically it also better, so you create the different environment for your different project, so then we can easily handle. Okay, suppose I just create the one environment for the only for the drone image analysis or geo AI or Python geospatial analysis. So we can create the different environment for our different projects, so then it will be more effectively. Okay, so in this case, suppose I create this type of environment. So this is the my one geospatial environment, and this is my another new AI environment we can easily create. So there is the two way for creating the environment. One way we can simply click on here and simply work with that, and another way simply write the terminal. Okay, just simply write the code conda create, then put the name and put the your environment name, so then it will be create. Okay, suppose I want to remove the environment, so how I can remove? So simply click on this environment and you can see the remove option also in here. Just click on the remove, so now this environment is removed. Okay,
Yes, yes.
So after removing, suppose I want to work with this geospatial, this environment I want to work. So you can see here I already open, I already create. So now you can see after creating the environment, it show me that to active this environment. Suppose I want to active this environment. So because I have lot of environment I already create, but I want to active this environment and work with that geospatial. So for that, simply write here conda activate. Okay, conda activate and put the your, you can see it's your environment name geospatial. So simply put here the geo spatial. Okay, and then press the enter. So now if you check, we find out that it's for the geospatial. Okay, so now your geospatial environment is opening, and I want to install the different types of packages. Okay, I want to install the different types of packages. Suppose I want to install geopandas. Okay, this is one kind of Python package. We can easily handle the shapefile or others. Okay, so I want to install the geopandas. So for that, simply put here the conda install conda install, then put here the channel conda 4G and put the geopandas. This is my Python package name. And now if I just click on the enter, so now it just installing the geopandas. And you need to install only for the first time. Okay, other times you don't need the install process. Just simply open your code editor and you can easily work, because in this time we are just use our local computer. Okay, locally we run our model. So that's why previous time we already worked the Google Colab. So we need to install the again and again different types of packages. Okay, so but in this
Yes.
time you don't need the installing this type of package, just only for the one time simply install and then it will work. So you can see, find out this type of uh, other library. Okay, you can see the following new package will be installed. So geopandas is also available, this type of other package. You can see the folium, also you can see different types of library. So I want to install all of package with geopandas, so just put the y and enter. So now it will be installed all of packages related to the geopandas or pandas. You can see pandas is also cover pandas, or you can the p pros. So different types, you can say sci-fi, scikit-learn. Okay, different types of library is also installed with the package of geopandas. So now you can see it show the done. Okay, you can see done, 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 done. It means that geopandas is successfully installed. Okay, in your system. Okay, it's successfully installed in your system. So now how I can understand it's successfully installed or not? So for that, if you want, you can simply open the Python. So I simply call the Python and I want to import. So Python C and then import the geopandas. So simply put here the import and put here the package name geopandas and then enter. So now if there is no problem, you can see if there is successfully executed, it means that your package is successfully installed. Okay, it also loading, you can see. So it's only for the checking, but there the another way we can check. There is no problem because I find out that done, you can see preparing, then verifying and executing is the done. So it means that your package is successfully installed. All of package is successfully installed in your system. And what is your environment? Your environment name is the geospatial. We put the name is the geospatial. So this package is installed in your geospatial environment. Okay, you can see it also important. There is no problem. Okay, it's successfully imported. It means that your package is successfully installed. So I want to install it the other package also. Suppose I want to install it the rasterio matplotlib. Okay, so for that, simply put here the conda, again put the install and install it. Suppose I want to install it channel conda 4G Anaconda 4G, and then put your package name. Suppose I want to install a GEmap package. Okay, so GEmap package we can easily use to working with Google Earth Engine. So I installed the GEmap package, then install it. Suppose I want to install it for Rasterio. Then I want to install it. Suppose I want to install it for another package. Suppose GeoPy. Okay, this is another Python package. Then suppose I want to install it that matplot library, matplotlib. Okay, as well as we can also any package. So further, if you need any other package, you can simply push the same approach and install it. So suppose I want to install this type of package, and finally I want to also another package. It's called the Jupyter Lab. So Lab, Jupyter Lab. Okay, and then press the enter. So now all of package is successfully installed, and first time it take the permission, yes or no, then put the Y and press the enter again. So now I can see it show a problem. This problem is that are not available from the current channel matplot library. Oh, sorry, we put the mistake spelling. Okay, just run my again. So just a copy, and then just paste here again. It will be matplotlib. Okay, so I put the wrong spelling in here. So it will be matplot plot matplot plot matplotlib. Okay, so now enter again. Then press the Y and enter. So now this type of package is installed in your system. Okay, so now you can simply find out the done. So now if you want, you can simply suppose open your Jupyter Lab. So simply put here the Jupyter Lab. Okay, simply write it and then enter. So now it directly open your code editor in the Jupyter notebook. We can easily find out. Okay, you can see it's open.
Sir,
Okay, yeah, please.
please, I can rejoin again. I can leave and then I can rejoin. I don't see.
Okay, just try. Okay, please.
So
Now can you see my screen?
yes, now I can see now.
Okay, so let's go. Yeah, so here you can see. So I also discuss further later about this type of things, no problem. So we can easily work this type of things. All right, so I run the code in here. Suppose I want to import some package. Suppose I want to import one package. Suppose geo pandas. Okay, suppose I want to import.
So sorry, sir.
Yeah, please.
So the packages that I imported using this Jupyter notebook must be installed first from the Anaconda.
Yes, only for the first time.
for the first time, is it?
Yes, yes, only for the first time. Okay, suppose, okay, let me
If I didn't
yeah,
install,
yeah.
if I didn't install such a package for the first time and I want to import, will it be imported or will it not?
Okay, so only for the first time you need to install. Okay, so I already installed, you can see in my terminal. So I already installed all of packages. Okay, only for the first time.
Yes.
Suppose now I just simply remove. Suppose I just open show you again for the first time. Suppose I just simply remove. Okay, just click on here, just remove my terminal, and also remove my Jupyter notebook. I also remove from here. So now I want to work without install. So for that, simply open your terminal again. So in the terminal, it show the base. You can see it show the base, but I want to active my environment. Okay, so I create the environment. What is my environment name? Geospatial, because in this environment I already install it, my all of package which I need. Okay, I already install it. So now I want to connect this geospatial package. So how I can connect? So for that, simply open the terminal and right here conda activate conda activate, then put your environment name. Suppose I do input
Okay.
GeoAI. So which environment you want to work, simply open. So I want to work, suppose GeoAI. So this is my previous, I already installed all of my necessary package, so I want to open it. So just put here the GeoAI. So this GeoAI, this environment, I already installed all of my Python package which I need for my different types of AI related work for the geospatial. Okay, so I simply just press enter.
Yeah.
You can see now it show the GeoAI. Okay, so now I just active this environment and I want to open my Jupyter notebook. If you want, you can also open the Jupyter notebook in a specific folder. Suppose if you check in my folder, from my folder, suppose from my download folder, you can see from the download folder, we find out some suppose this one. So I want to open this one, not so I want to open this notebook. Okay, so I want to open this notebook. So this is one kind of notebook. So here I already write some code, so I want to open this notebook. So how I can open? So it's very easy. So for that, simply open the terminal and active your GeoAI package, then put the cd. Okay, cd, and then press the tab. Then we can find out all of folder name. Okay, all of folder. So from the folder, I go to the download. I go to the downloads. So simply put here the DOW and press the tab. It show the downloads. Then press the enter. So now I just entered the download folder. You can see it show the downloads. So in the downloads folder, I will then I simply can see in my download folder. This is my download folder. So from the download folder, I want to go this folder. So corn yield prediction. So this is my folder name. I want to go. So how I can open it? So for that, simply put the cd again, and then corn. This is my folder name. So put here the COR, then press tab. Automatically come the folder name. Okay, then press the enter. So now you can see it show the corn yield field. So now I just simply access all of file, but I want to go to the more. I want to go this file. Okay, so I want to enter this folder and then open this file. Open this file. So for that same process, we simply put the folder name. So this folder name I put here the cd. Folder name is that CLE. Then press the tab. So you can see automatically come and then enter. So in this folder, I want to open this file. Okay, in my Jupyter lab, I want to open this file in my Jupyter lab. So how I can open? So for that, simply right here, Jupyter lab, and then write the file name ml, then press tab. Automatically come and press the enter. So now this notebook is automatically just open. Okay, it automatically open. You can see it opening. Yeah, so now I can see it opening. So now we can simply work with this notebook and also complete our analysis easily. Okay, Or if you want, you can create the new notebook. So how I can create the new notebook for this folder? So again, I will show you that. Suppose I want to create the new notebook. I am not working the previous notebook. I want to create the new notebook. So how we can easily create the new notebook? So for that same process, just open the terminal and put the conda. Just active your conda. Conda activate. Suppose I want to activate this conda. GOAI. So write this GOAI. So this environment, I already installed all of my necessary packages which I need. Okay, so just active. So now I want to create the new notebook, okay, in a specific folder. Suppose just put the cd, and I want to just put the cd and put the tab. So I want to create the folder new notebook in my download folder. Okay, in the download folder, I want to create the new notebook. So for that, simply put here go to the download folder, and now simply open Jupyter Lab. Okay, Jupyter Lab. Simply write and then open. So now in this folder, it create the new notebook. So part we set the notebook name. Just click the enter. So now you can see it open the new notebook, and this new notebook is open in our download folder. You can see in the download folder. So just click on the, you can see Python 3. Just click on here. So now you can see it will be work. Okay, this is my new notebook. So further, simply you can put the rename and put the name. Suppose it's your suppose first practice. Okay, so now this is the way we can simply create the new notebook, as well as we can also open our previous notebook. Suppose I already work, so now I want to add the more work on my code, or previous code I want to open, then simply apply the previous work. Okay, then it will work. So now I want to import, suppose I want to import some package. Suppose import GeoPandas. I want to import GeoPy. I want to import, suppose, GEmap. Okay, so I want to import rasterio. Okay, or import matplotlib dot py plot as plt. So basically this is the short form. Suppose I put the rasterio as rio, short form. GMap, I do not need. GeoPandas as, suppose, gpd. Okay, so just I put the short name. So when I need this package, I simply use the gpd. When I need the package, I simply use here the rio. When I need this package, then I simply use here that your plt. So now run. So you can see now it's working.